Right, so made this thing, all me bits and bobs in it, so I can just lift that off there and bring it to wherever I need it. What else is done? All the stuff here is plumbed in. That's just temporary supply at the minute. I'm going to bring in, I have a spare 30 amp one inside. I'm going to bring that inside so I can use that joke there if I need it. I put the magnetic lad there. It's they're not in the way there, so I figured that was the best place to put them. What else did I do? There's a second coat of stuff on the floor. Cleared out all the shite that was behind there. That's all painted now in there and in there, and I freed up a lot of shelf space here. There was a lot of crates of shite in here. I got rid of them all. So all I need to do now really is, and I can do it over time, is I'll do it some long weekend or something. I'll take all this racking out and I'll drag it up the floor out of the way here, and I will I'll seal all that back wall with that stuff. I have nearly the full of that can there, so I'll give it 2 coats and then I'll paint it. It's like a latex nearly, and it just seals it up, you know. It's not porous after you horse a load of that onto it. So what I'm thinking is, if I get a big roller and roll it onto the wall, give it 2 or 3 coats and then paint it, and we'll see where we go from there. So still some stuff to do, but the large majority of it's done. One other thing I'm going to do, I have found these yokes. I've just lubricated them there. Hold on, that's it. I'll have to give them a clean as well. And I'm going to put them under here, so they have like a pull out area. The idea is to just have it real shallow with like an edge around it for all this stuff, and that'll just pull in and out there. So the irons will be staying there. I still didn't get the ground in. I was to do that yesterday and I got sidetracked doing something else. So yeah, so my lights up, all wired, little toggle switch there, turn them off. Oh, they're actually off. So that's that. I've all this on the, this is all on the circuit now. When I flip the switch on that, I've a plug board on the second outlet, so it turns the power on to this, the scope, on the air light, the LEDs up underneath. Have me airline regulators in there and the back out of the way, and I just put a secondary gauge on it there, just so I can see what's going on. I have that teed and that comes down, and I have a bung here that I can run another airline up the way if I want to, up the shed. Just kind of if I need to, sort of a thing. So still some shit to do, but we're getting there.